Have you ever wondered how archaeologists can pinpoint the age of an ancient artifact or a historical event with such impressive accuracy? We have powerful scientific methods for dating, but there is a crucial step that transforms raw scientific numbers into meaningful calendar years. It is a process that fine-tunes our understanding of the past. Calibration fundamentally adjusts a raw absolute date, most notably a radiocarbon date, to align it with true calendar years. It takes the initial measurement from a scientific technique and translates it into a more precise historical timeline, often presented as a range of calendar years. The necessity for this adjustment stems from natural fluctuations in the past. For instance, the concentration of carbon-14 in the Earth's atmosphere has not always been constant. Factors like changes in solar activity, variations in Earth's geomagnetic field, and even volcanic eruptions can alter the amount of carbon-14 available to living organisms. This means that a radiocarbon year is not always equivalent to a calendar year. To correct for these discrepancies, scientists create detailed calibration curves by analyzing materials of known calendar age, such as tree rings from ancient forests, sediment layers called varves, and ice cores. These independent records provide a historical benchmark to compare against radiocarbon measurements, allowing us to map radiocarbon years to actual calendar years. In practice, when a laboratory provides a raw absolute date, such as a radiocarbon age, researchers use specialized calibration software and a globally accepted calibration curve. For terrestrial samples, the IntCal curve is commonly employed, while marine samples use marine cal. The software takes the raw date and its uncertainty, then matches it against the curve to generate a calibrated age expressed as a calendar year range, often presented with 1 sigma or 2 sigma probability. This gives us a calibrated date, typically noted as BP, BC, or a D, replacing the uncalibrated radiocarbon. Understanding calibration is vital because it can significantly shift dates, sometimes by hundreds of years, which profoundly impacts archaeological interpretations and historical narratives. For example, some periods on the calibration curve show a plateau effect, where a relatively wide range of radiocarbon dates corresponds to a much narrower calendar period, making precise dating challenging for those specific eras. Ignoring calibration would lead to chronological inaccuracies, potentially misrepresenting the sequence and contemporaneity of past cultures and events. It is the bridge between scientific measurement and historical reality. Ultimately, calibration ensures that the absolute dates we derive from scientific analysis are not just numbers, but reliable temporal markers that accurately place archaeological finds and human activities within the global calendar. This process provides a more robust and precise chronological framework, enabling us to better reconstruct and comprehend the complex tapestry of human history.